Ever wondered if you can actually reduce your alimony payments after a divorce? You're not alone. In Texas, what's called spousal support isn't always set in stone. Life happens. Maybe you lost your job, your income dropped, or your ex just got a big raise. So, is it possible to go back to court and ask for a lower payment? The short answer is yes, but it's not automatic. First, you'll need to show that there's been a big ongoing change in your circumstances. Think job loss, major health issues, or even your ex remarrying. Judges don't just hand out reductions for minor changes, so you'll need solid proof. Next, you'll have to file a formal request with the court. Don't try to work out a deal with your ex behind the scenes. Anything not approved by the court isn't legally binding. The judge will look at your finances, your ex's finances, and if any big life changes have happened since your divorce. A big tip? Keep good records, pay stubs, medical bills, job search logs, anything to back up your story. The more info you have, the better your chances. And remember, courts see alimony as a way to make things fair, not to punish anyone. If your situation really has changed, the law's on your side. If you're in Houston and you want answers from reducing, increasing, or even ending your spousal support, Daniel OBD Law is here for you. We serve as trusted advocates, helping people like you get clarity and control during life's toughest transitions. Are you ready to talk with someone who gets it? Schedule a free consultation with our experienced family law attorneys. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com today.